Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you the 5 possible methods on how to solve "this app cannot run on your PC" pop-up error. So let's get started. Run as administrator. There are a lot of possible reasons why your Windows cannot run certain applications. The first method you can do to fix this problem is through running the application as administrator. To do that, right-click the application and select the Run as Administrator option. A context menu of the User Account Control UAC prompt will pop up and select Yes. If the application finally runs without problem, you can configure it to always run with admin rights. You can do so by right-clicking on the application, then select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check the Run this program as an administrator box, and then press Apply. Enabling developer mode. If the application is still not running properly, proceed to the next method, which is enabling developer mode. Keep in mind that there are risks involved in running apps from any source. To enable developer mode, right-click on Start icon, select Settings on the menu, go to Systems, and click for Developers. Enable the toggle next to developer mode. Scanning computer for corrupted files. If you still encounter the same error, it may be due to corrupted system files. To address this, run an SFC scan on your computer. Press the Windows key plus X to open the Power User menu and select Terminal Admin. From the list, now type the following command in the console and press Enter. Once the scan finishes, a message will inform you of any detected problems and provide instructions for fixing them. Reinstalling problematic applications. If the error still persists, the next method to do is to try to reinstall the problematic application to see if the issue will be resolved. To do so, press the Windows key plus R and the Run dialog box will appear. Type appwiz.cpl and then press Enter. Select the problematic application from the list and then click on Install at the top part. Follow the on-screen prompt to remove the application from the computer. Running Windows in a clean boot state. If the issue is still not fixed, try to run Windows in a clean boot state where the only applications and programs running are the essential ones. To do so, press Windows key plus R to open again the Run dialog box. Type msconfig in the field and hit Enter. After this, scroll through the Services tab and check the box that reads Hide all Microsoft services and click the Disable All button afterwards. After this step, switch back to the Startup tab and then open the Task Manager. Select any third-party applications or programs and then disable them. If your application loads normally without any issue during this clean boot state, then the problem is because of your third-party applications. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.